Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to make some vegan sugar cookies with vegan vanilla frosting. To start out, put a half a cup of vegan butter in your mixing bowl and mix it with a mixer. Add a half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of applesauce or a different egg replacer, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then mix all of those ingredients together with your mixer. After that, add 1 3/4 cup of flour, a half a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then mix the ingredients together. Then mix in 1 to 2 teaspoons of non-dairy milk. So now I'm going to cover it with this lid. This lid isn't made for this bowl, but it still works, and then I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. So while your dough is in the freezer, you can get your cookie cutters ready. I have Easter cookie cutters because this video will be posted after Easter, but I am making the cookies before Easter. You can also get your rolling mat ready and your rolling pin, and also some flour that you can put onto the rolling mat. And your baking sheet, and I'm also using a reusable baking mat, and also something like this to pick the cookies up when you cut them, and preheat your oven to 350. Once you are ready to put them in the oven, bake for 10 to 12 minutes. So now for the frosting, mix a half a cup of vegan butter. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix. Then sift in 2.5 to 3 cups of powdered sugar. And mix again. You can also mix in a splash of non-dairy milk if you would like. Then put into the freezer for about 30 minutes. So while your frosting is in the freezer, you can get your sprinkles ready and dye out if you want to color your frosting. So the recipe will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you liked it and subscribe, and have a great day.